Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13x and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. As you can see, it is highlighted. So now we can tap on this three dots icon in the right, three bars icon actually, in the right upper corner. And the second bar is connected with the timer. We've got three different options, so off, 3 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. I'll choose 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is marked, it is highlighted. What is more, in the shutter button, we've got the timer notified. So let's simply tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, you can of course turn it off. Just go to the three bars icon again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.